Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Algeria. So let's start. Algeria. So I don't know how to say it in English, I'm sorry. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, it will be here on Coinbase, and if you're going to register through the link down below the description, you will receive $10 worth of free Bitcoin. You add a first name, last name, email and everything, and when you're going to do it, you will be here in Coinbase and how you can actually buy it. So you will click here home on Bitcoin, view asset, and now you can simply buy it. Let's say €100 or $100, whatever, preview buy. And here you got a fee. Then you can also sell the Bitcoin if you want to. And when you're going to sell it, you come here to portfolio, click euro, and you can withdraw the money. So this is pretty much it. And this is how you can buy Bitcoin in Algeria. Thank you very much, guys, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.